Here is the list of top 7 best Panasonic lenses for you. 7. Panasonic Leica DG Nocticron 42.5mm f1.2 ASPH is a high-end lens. It is built for capturing excellent portraits. Its 85mm equivalent, 35mm terms, focal length helps to produce a unique, shallow depth of field effect with great ease. The lens has power optical image stabilization, so you can capture excellent shots on the spur of the moment, and without a tripod. It can be used in a variety of settings, such as outdoor weddings or indoor events, and it works exceptionally well in low light conditions. 6. Panasonic Lumix G2 Vario-Lens 100-300mm is an ultra-telephoto zoom lens that enables you to capture faraway subjects with great detail and precision, making it an excellent choice for nature, wildlife, and sports photography. This lens is small and lightweight, yet powerful and tenacious. Made from a full metal body and coatings, which make it sturdy, weatherproof, splash-proof, dust-proof, and freeze-proof, this lens can easily weather the elements without any damage. Panasonic Leica DG Similix 25mm f1.4 ASPH is the overall winner. The Lumix G Leica DG Similix is a lens that truly defines versatility. Adhering to the strictest of quality controls, the Lumix G Leica DG Similix is one of the best all-around lenses you will ever come across. It can be used for wildlife and nature photography, and even indoor and outdoor professional shoots. 4. Panasonic Lumix GX Vario 12-35mm f2.8 second ASPH. It happens to be one of the best, top-quality, high-end lenses currently available in the market. This lens produces high-brightness stills over the entirety of the zoom range. It can be used for several shooting scenarios, including standard, wide-angle, and even medium telephoto shooting, thanks to its 12-35mm focal length. 3. Panasonic Lumix G2 Budget winner. It is an excellent choice if you're looking for versatility in your lens. This lens performs immaculately in a wide variety of situations. It features a large diameter aperture at focal length 1.7, which produces a remarkable bokeh effect, and also helps the camera capture bright pictures in low light conditions. 2. Panasonic Lumix 35-100mm f/2.8x series. It is a light and compact lens for mirrorless micro four thirds system cameras that genuinely packs a punch. This professional-level lens features top-quality professional X-series optics alongside Panasonic's signature nano surface coating. Panasonic lenses are made with high-end glass, top-quality construction, and are known for taking crystal-clear images. This makes them a favorite among both professionals and amateur photographers alike. 1. Panasonic Leica DG Vario-Elmarit is every photographer's dream come true. Made for compact mirrorless cameras, this micro four thirds lens is one of the best in its class. This lens is built for both professional photographers and photography enthusiasts. It ensures that you capture top quality, well-focused, detailed, and clear images. Equipped with an incredibly fast autofocus drive that is 240 frames per second, this lens is quiet and produces sharp and clear pictures no matter where you are. The autofocus system works great for both 4K videos and still photography. The lens has a full metal body and is splash-proof, dust-proof, and even freeze-proof, so you can use it in adverse weather conditions and for wildlife photography without worrying about the lens being damaged. This lens features an aspherical extra-low dispersion lens technology, which not only makes it compact and lightweight but also produces images that have high contrast and high resolution. The nano surface coatings on this lens ensure that there are no chromatic aberrations or color infringement issues in the images. This lens is able to produce excellent, clear images, even in low light conditions.